Right, we're rocking and rolling. You don't have to get that in on the video. Right, good morning. About 2 weeks ago, we got contacted by a company regarding a backpack. And it was like, oh, another company, you know, probably other retailers, and they'll understand what I'm saying as you think, oh, not another load of old junk. That's somebody's trying to say. I mean, we get people contacting us from, factories all over the place. So I was like, oh, another one. So anyway, I read a little bit more, and Savotta, and I've heard of them before, and I thought, oh, okay, let's have a little look at this. And they said, look, we'd like to send you a backpack over to test because we'd like to get into the military sort of market within the UK. And I said, okay, not a problem. Let's have a look. So they, Savotta here in the UK, there's a couple of companies that do a lot of their products, because they're predominantly bushcraft. They've done a lot of stuff for, backpacks of bushcraft and one thing or another. Now, Savotta, they are a Finnish company. They're a family sort of business. They're sort of second generation now. They still manufacture in Finland. I think they've got a factory in Estonia as well. So it's very much a core company that started doing products for the Finnish defence people, and with other clients and things like that. So their philosophy, everything about it was excellent, and I've read it, and you can go and read it. They've got a really good company. And anyway, so this backpack turns up, and I'm going, wow, this looks really good. We're going to give this a test. So I don't get out and do lots of testing, so I thought, let's get out and do it. So somewhere in this video, Troy will embed what I did last night into the video so you can see. But I haven't done any walking obviously I'll do walking, but not carrying weight. So I put a 15 kilo dumbbell and about 10 pairs of trousers into this backpack, and off I stomped last night for about 30 to 40 minutes. It weighed I thought it was only going to weigh about 40 pound, but it wasn't. It was actually up near 50 pound. So I actually really put some heavy weight into this backpack. So anyway, it's to the right of me. So I'm going to show you. This is the Jääkäri. It's the medium. They do like a small, medium and large. I think small, medium, large. This is a medium. It's about 30 litres. Talk about over-engineering is unbelievable. Military grade Cordura, 1000D Cordura. The strapping, everything about this is designed for durability. I could hardly pick this thing up last night. I put way too much in for it. But it's got a floating hood on it, so you can actually stow away loads of things. This will come straight up, come to this sort of height. Just look at this for stitching on here. Look at that strap. That's going nowhere. So we've got, it's a great molded strapping system. We've got lumbar support, which can be removed if you want. You've got all the buckles of, just fantastic, really good. They've done their own. You go on YouTube, you can see the kind of testing they've done. So I'm not going to sort of go over all of it, but they've dropped it from like sides of mountains. They've clipped it onto the back of trucks and pulled it and, driven over it. And, so it's definitely designed for durability and for longevity as well. It's the molly, I can see this being, quite good for the military. Obviously you can add lots of things. It's so adaptable. There's strapping on to add things to the side. You've got places, you've got strapping at the bottom to add things to the bottom. So you've got bottom, top, front, sideways. And here, I just whack loads of trousers in it just so you can see. By the way, it's got hydration. You've got little places there for the hydration tube to come out. There's loads and loads of trousers I put in here. You can also take the there's like a plastic support system here which you can take out. By the way, the padding on the lumber section is brilliant. Like I said, it was a Faro walk I did last night. You know, it's interesting because I just wore a thin t-shirt and a waterproof jacket because it's really blowing a gale last night, just to see how, if this would dig into me. And I tell you what, it didn't dig in at all. I was really surprised. So you could tailor it for you. So this, you know, for the military use, I would say, you know, there's a lot of pros for it. So there we go. There's loads of trousers there, which I did. And you can see. It's got zipped pocket here, so you can obviously put bits and pieces in it. Like I said, there's other videos on there which we'll go to in a bit in depth, but I just wanted to show you this one today. Competitors, you know, the Berghaus Monroe, you know, which is a lot cheaper. The green ones sort of retails for about £100. This thing retails for about £175. So it's considerably more money than what the Monroe is, but you know, I think if you're in the market for something that you want, something that's really heavy duty, that's going to be strong, that's small enough that you can still wear, get into small places and be maneuverable and adaptable for carrying all kinds of things next to you, then I think you really want to consider this one. You know, like I said, I haven't been that excited about a backpack in ages until I got this and I looked at it and I saw how it was made, and you know, it's something that's worth beholding. So there we go. Savotta Jääkäri. This is the medium, which is about 30 litres. So anyway, hopefully you'll enjoy what you see me pounding up a hill. Just to give you an idea with the weight. I mean, you're not going to be carrying £50 of weight in it, but I just wanted to show you that it could carry double that weight easy. I mean, I couldn't carry it for very far, but the backpack could take that. So there we go. I hope that's of interest to you. And if you're in for a backpack, sort of like a day pack, that sort of size, you know, I really would consider this one. There are loads of other options, but see how you get on, have a little look at it. Thanks for watching. Any questions, sales@camouflage-store.com. Please give us a thumbs up, and like I say, keep an eye on our Instagram and our IGTV, and we'll do some updates as we get on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hi, right, I've got the Savotta Jääkäri backpack, the one that we've just been sent to do some testing. I've just put a 15 kilo dumbbell into it. I'll see if I can show you. So it's quite a heavy old dumbbells. What's that, about £35, something like that. I'm just going to show you a minute. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. I've got the dumbbell in there. I've got loads of, I've got, I think, about 10 pairs of MTP trousers as well. So it's, I've really padded it out. So I'm going to do probably about, I don't know, sort of 30 to 45 minutes hard walk with it up this massive hill, on the road as well. So it's not going to be easy. I did a 40-mile cycle last night, so my legs are a bit achy. So this will be a good test for this one. So I've got a few things that planned. But you know, these are really highly rated. So I'll see you halfway through or a bit further down the line, and we'll see how we get on with it. See you later. Bye. Okay, just got back from a walk, probably about 30-35 minutes. I haven't worn any weight for a long time. I haven't carried a backpack with loads of weight. So here it is. Look, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that was tough going. Like I said, I'm not part of some special forces. I'm not an ex-Marine, commando, paratrooper or anything like that. So I'm not used to wearing or carrying loads of weight. But so, you know, there's got to be 40 pound in the back of this with a dumbbell, and it's brilliant. You know, it felt good. You know, it just felt part of me. I've not got no pain anywhere. So, you know, I've definitely overloaded it. You know, it's probably not designed to carry that kind of weight, not as a day bag, but I tell you what, it doesn't look like it. You know, I look like I could carry probably twice that weight. Well, I mean, I probably couldn't carry twice that weight, but, you know, definitely the backpack could take that kind of weight. You know, the workmanship and the durability, everything about it is just over-engineered. So, you know, it's a big thumbs up for this one. So this is the Savotta Jääkäri, and it's the medium one, which they say is about 22 litres. So once again, there you go. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.